Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix stuck rear wiper on a Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. First thing you do, you remove the cover here by just pressing at the back, and the cover will pop out, and then with a 13mm spanner you undo the nut there and it should come off easily. There are many videos on YouTube on how to remove this, so I'm not going to go in detail. Once that's done, we'll remove the cover at the back of the car behind the door, and then follow the next steps I've provided in this video. Nothing wrong with the mechanical or the electrical side inside the motor. The problem I found is that when I took the rubber cover off, the bolt itself is corroded. Now I'm going to give it a good clean and energize it and check it works, but I do believe it's the corrosion and all the debris stored between the shaft and the cover, the plastic cover, that prevents the arm moving. I'll give it a good clean and come back. I'm still working on this Citroen C4 rear wiper motor. What I've done, I've removed this top sort of cover there, and then I've removed the arm that goes to that tube here. It was stuck between the in the shaft there. There was debris and rust and corrosion, so I hit it with a hammer inside from this end here, and it came out eventually. The next step now is to put some Vaseline or anything that helps with the friction there, and put it back up. There you go. I fitted back the motor assembly for the rear wiper. Initially, when I took it off, it had some rivets which I had to drill out. But I found in my shed, I found 3 bolts, washers, penny washers and nuts, and I've attached them to I've managed to attach the assembly back to the door. Now the last bit is to put back the cover. That's straightforward, but let's check if the wiper works. So I'm just going to close the door. Okay, I'm going to start the contact on. Again, this is a Citroen C4 Grand Picasso, and it works. That's it for me.